A .017 kilogram bullet is fired 4 meters per second into the 2 kilogram wooden block of a ballistic pendulum. After that collision, they swing upward at a certain height h. Momentum and energy is conserved. So to solve for the final velocity of the bullet and the block, now that they're embedded, we're going to have to use conservation of momentum. So we'll have initial momentum equal final momentum. So we'll call 1 the bullet and 2 the block. So m1 v1 plus m2 v2 equals m1 plus m2 v2. Now this is because the bullet's embedded, so you can treat them as one mass. So once we plug in all the values, this is 0 because it's standing still, so the velocity is 0, so it cancels itself out. Now plugging in all of our known values, we have the final velocity over here, and we just solve. Alright, to find the final height, we're going to use energy. So we'll have conservation of energy, we'll have initial kinetic plus initial potential equals final kinetic and final potential. And so the generic form. So there's no initial potential and there's no final kinetic. So that just gives us kinetic translating into purely potential. So we plug in all these values. Notice that the m is the block and the bullet combined. So make sure you substitute in those m's. And once you plug everything in, you solve for h.